I wake up in the morning, I prepare the African beer. Hey, Mkombodi, Mkombodi, hey, Mkombodi, Mkombodi. Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place watching me from. This day today is a happy, beautiful day, and as you see, just wake up, and today I give much thanks to Almighty God for this amazing day and for this great time that we are in over here. Happy Sunday, happy Saturday, happy Monday, happy Saturday, happy Sunday, happy Monday. It depends actually with the time you'll be watching this video or with the specific zone, because we have time differences over here. So I want to say thank you so much for each and every returning subscriber who always come back to say, let me check what CJ has put on social media so that we can watch and we can check on it. Thank you so much. And also remember, guys, we are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for that, and I really appreciate your love and support. I'm shooting this video from our bulletproof house over here in Kenya, Africa, though sometimes you might see it in a mess or in a messy. It's messy, reason being now we are back home. Sometimes I'm having a lot of tasks to do over here, like look on the other side. I said somebody to wash my clothes and also other things that I'm here. See, I haven't yet fold them. We have been experiencing what we call like heavy rains over here, which is a sort of blessing actually, and we appreciate the blessing from Almighty God. You know, there's a song that sings from heavens, from heaven, from earth to heaven. Yeah, just sing it something so I just remember it, because sometimes I just woke up, my mind is not much okay for now, you know. So I'll be giving you some updates about how everything is around here in the village, so keep on subscribing and sharing. And also it's a birthday month for my wife. Oh man, I don't know what planning to do to her, but even the presence will be much appreciated when I'll be with her near. So maybe I'll be planning to travel to Mombasa to go and check on her, how she is doing, because for now baby is a little bit improving. And also much thanks to my sister, she just closed school. She's done with her. Of course, I want to introduce my sister here for the new subscribers. Sometimes she used to be like, I'm private, because the moment I took her to the hospital, to the school, she was and she used to be my camera vixen, I can say so, or my video vixen. Is it good? Camera vixen, video vixen. She used to be my video vixen, something like that. She used to be like, even people used to think she's my girlfriend, but she's my real blood sister, one and only. So I took her to the school first day. Go watch my previous video, you know, just erase 4 years, you see back, you see my videos, me taking her to school. So I went also to pick her to school. For those who checked out, I picked her, she's back home. She'll be helping with me over here to work and also check on baby a little until she recovers well. Yeah, that's why you see me, even I'll be a little free to travel to Mombasa a little bit, because my sister is around here. You know, having a sister is a good thing, and that's why I'm appreciating her for this gift of life. And also, yeah, she'll be taking care of everything around. So we'll be heading out. Mkombodi, hey, Mkombodi, it's African beer. Oh, that's Ivan Chaka Chaka from South Africa. I really love those songs. We used to play, and you know, Christmas is near. Huh? When you hear such kind of music, you know Christmas is near. And also, happy and Merry Christmas to each and every person in advance. Let's play Mkombodi. Hey. Stand up and dance with me. God have given you life, man. You appreciate it.
I wake up every day to make my way.
Hey.
Wake up early every morning to please my people with love, freedom, beer.
Hey. Actually, I used to hear those music. They used to play on Christmas, or when we are approaching Christmas, like a time like now, where now Mama has bought clothes. She has hid it. You know, you just have clothes like, okay, they bring clothes to you or shoes to you. The moment you measure them or you put them on, they see if they fit you well, or if they don't fit you, they just go take it back to the Nini. They bring another one. If it fits you well, they lie to you that, oh, we have bought this clothes for your cousin or your sister cousin or your brother cousin. Then we'll be taking it to him. So yeah, you don't worry. So we wanted just to measure with you so that we see if it can fit him. Wait. So they keep it very far with the shoes. I miss clothes, Mama. Daddy, I miss Christmas clothes, man. Nowadays I've grown up, have beards. They tell me, work it for yourself and do it for yourself. Comment down below. Oh my God. If you have ever received Christmas gifts, at this age, like maybe your mama or your papa still buys you clothes for Christmas, kneel down and pray to her and tell God, may you give my mama or my papa long life. Also, me, I usually say, God, grant my papa and my mama long life, because you know, my family, we are a lot. We are a lot, you know. I mean, we are a lot. I'm the fifth born, but all the tasks sometimes be on me, because the first four are not around. Our firstborn is a deacon. He's actually at school still. Secondborn has his own family in Tanzania, but sometimes he supports. Thirdborn is my elder brother, who is over here, Jacob, who is a florist who trims flowers. And the fourthborn was our lovely sister, but she passed away. I couldn't have seen her. So I always hear some rumors that, oh, you used to have a sister before you, so don't think that you're too young to Jacob. But sometimes people think me and Jacob are this close. We are not this close. Actually, there's a very big gap, because in between we have a sister who passed, and then now me, who people think I'm the elder than Jacob. And also we have Mogendi the Dreamer. After Mogendi the Dreamer, we have our own and one and only sister, Felicitas or Carol, and then we have Manu Claude, and then yeah, that, you know. Oh my God, man, that's how it is. We are a lot. And also our adopted kids, a lot that daddy adopted, a lot. I'll not even mention, just a lot. So when I tell you we are a lot, we are a lot. But sometimes the tasks run on siege, you know. So to cut the long story short, it's Christmas time, and people do Christmas haul or Christmas shopping. But I done that. I wanna take you to Granny, and we wanna sing Mkomboti. Mkomboti. Hey, Mkomboti. Yeah, something like that. And yeah, so let's see what we can do. Let's do something constructive. Just if you set your goals in the starting of this year, and now it's the ending of the year, have you achieved? If yes, thank God and say, God, thank you for this. If you haven't, then there's a next year to try. And also, we haven't yet ended the year. You can maybe by the end of 30th December, things will be creating in their own ways. Like me, I set my goals, and I saw I accomplished one, but the other one is still hanging up, and I'm hanging in. You know, if I promise somebody to do something and it's failed and it hasn't yet, still it's hanging in. If you promise somebody that you do this to him or to her, and they're still pending, still hanging in, the year hasn't yet ended, still you can, there's room for accomplishing it. Just pray, and know that things will wake up and will do up and nicely. All right, guys, enjoy Mkomboti.
It's African we are.
Hey, what a beautiful day. The moment I open this door, dogs run to me. Relax. Let's go. Mkomboti. Look, hey. Hi. Hi. No way. Come on. Huh? 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 Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. That's the Bumble Soothe. Hey, Bumble. B is very aggressive. Hey, B is very aggressive. B is very aggressive. Look at Bumble. Hey, now Bumble. Hey. B, this is Soothe. B, Bumble. Alright, it's African morning. Let's do some tasks. Running the door. Come on. Come on. It's early morning. Hey, Soothe. Bumble. Yeah. I'll buy you sweets, okay? Come on. Let's go again. Hey. Manu. Hey, Bumble. Bumble goes a lot of speed. Bumble. Come on, man. Bumble. Come on. Hey, relax. Relax now. Look. That's why sometimes I don't put on white clothes. Because these dogs, hey, the moment you come out, breathe in, breathe out. What a very nice day. What a nice exercise. We are with Manu Claude.
Yes.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yes, I'm good.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Claude channel. If you're new there, subscribe there, like, share, leave a comment. Remember his road to 30k subscribers. Please do so, and we appreciate. My name is Manu Claude again, and I have a channel on YouTube. You can
Yes.
go and subscribe to my channel. I'm road to 2k subscribers, 4,000 watch hours.
Absolutely, guys. Check him out. It's called Manu Claude. He's my young brother over here, and he's tying up the goats, taking the goats from inside to this outside. Yesterday, like recently, we have received plenty of rains. Plenty of rains. You can say that. Is that even English? Or a lot of rains? No. We have been experiencing a lot of rain, and we give much thanks to Almighty God, because now even crops are smiling. A lot of plantations are smiling. You know, things are really much okay for those who have been planting. They look very nice. No, Soothe, it's this way. Bumble, it's this way. Yeah. So these dogs, they love to walk with me near. The moment I wake up, and they want to show me what's going on around, what has been happening. So they're giving me a survey. Just giving me a survey. Yeah, so it has been a beautiful day, and also we are almost ending November. We have remained with some few days, and these few days I'll make sure maybe I've gone to Mombasa to just check. See, even animals just run to me Yeah, higher vibration. And also the updates about our plants, about our black nightshade. How? Look at the spider plant. They have really grown big. They have really grown big, and Mama has been uprooting, taking up the worst one and replanting the good ones. That's where you see. Hey, living an off-grid life in African village. Look at this. We just planted this some few weeks ago, like 3 weeks right now, and you can see how big they are. I even put this here. It's called spider plant. These ones, and this how they are really growing big and very big. No, come on, man. Stop stepping on the veggies. Come, those are veggies over there. Let's go. This is bamboo. Bamboo is very aggressive. It used to have a very big body, and it's younger than this, but you can see its body. It's bigger. No, come. We're going home. All right. So yeah, that's it. So let me take you. We want to be doing what we call like a little physiotherapy. I'm waiting for the sun to come out well, so that we can I can just take Granny out. I can just do some little exercise with her. So because we were advised, how if she do some physiotherapy, she might have a fracture at this time, or if they do what you call like surgery at her age, for now it will take a long time for her to heal, and also it might cause a lot of things. So for us to avoid that, it's better to just wait. They gave us some advices about how to take it, and also an advice, and also some meds they prescribed us to buy, and yeah, we bought them. So she's undergoing through medication. No. Sude. I beat you. Sude. You'll be beaten. Sude. Hey. Sude doesn't want to see a cat near. Huh? I'll beat you. You know you're so aggressive, you. You're not like... No, come on, man. Hey, look at this person. Come. Relax, okay? Huh? And now Bumble is coming. Look at this. This now it's so playful. What do you want to eat? What do you want to eat inside there? Look at this dog. It's just taking myself into the... There's nothing in the pocket, bro. Come on, man. There's nothing in the pocket. What's wrong? Nothing in the pocket. Look, also this one. Oh, it was looking for a tissue. Okay, it's there. It's going to throw it away. Look. Alright. Good. Alright, guys. Let's see what's happening on this side. Come slowly. Kuja tu. Pole pole. Slowly. Yeah, guys, now she can step slowly. Slowly, baby. Pole. So you see, guys, you can walk slowly by slowly. So walking, not just to walk her around. So because the doctor said you have to be walking her, maybe if she has a support by walking slowly by slowly, it can heal a little by little. Slowly. Pole pole. Slowly. Yay. We used to sing Simama Diri. Simama, so she can just crawl slowly by slowly. You good? You slowly improving. Hey, you good? Yes. How is the leg doing now?
Yes.
Mguu kwaje? Napona kidogo.
Unapona ngasi natembea kubukubu.
Mm.
Sasa natembea kidogo na nasikia kama nataka tena kutoka.
At least now she's a little bit doing okay. A little. She's improving a little bit.
Sisi ndio ikangi mutaactivity yuko bako. Mwanyeshi ndani ya kuni ya tamu. Tu activity choto. Neno activity.
So she's telling me as if she's a doctor.
Hakuna mkono kisoma. Kana baki moja tu mama. Hata tu.
She was asking that which hand were they injecting? So she says that she was injected only on this hand. Why didn't they inject in this other hand? Dushua. Yeah, sure. Yeah, poor. They shit. No foot. Do shit. Left, right here. Left, right here.
Kama ngapa ngapa ngapa. Oni lanki kono.
She's saying that why did they inject in one hand instead of other hand? At least guys she can at least crawl. You know the other time we used to carry her from the bed to this side. At least maybe she'll be sitting here and she'll be going on the other end. And also I've been told she should be raising her legs this way. So the moment she sits, anawaikara otora magoro kono wigure because of the legs. Jiki sawa asiana kana egemea kwenda huko hapo ndekene. Fanya hivi, do this again. Left. Hiyo mguu ingine. Ile ingine. Aya, sukuma juu kwenda huko. Sukuma. Again, hivi. Do this. Let me take off this. I think this one I'm pressing her hard. I do this. Like this. Usishike na hiyo mkono. Inua tu yenyewe. Inua hivi. Inua yenyewe.
Takwino pambo. Sasa kama ikao yenyewe, ainuki.
Inua tu yenyewe hivi, inua hivi. I'm telling her to just put it this way. Inua this way. Hivi. Look at these people, guys. We have Manu Claude here. He's doing his own things. There's loud music here. Somebody's doing some cleaning. Good morning. Hi, how are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yeah, I'm
I'm
good.
there because we need light. A little light. So you're doing some cleaning.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the house. I'm from church. Yeah, I went, thank God that I'll finish school.
Yes.
Now I've come back home. I'm doing some cleaning so that even I can prepare lunch.
Your life after school.
Yeah.
Life after?
School.
How is life? How was life in school and how do you see life over here?
Life in school was a bit nice.
A bit nice.
Yeah, it was a bit nice. Because there the work is just to read, eat and read, sleep. Eat, read, sleep.
Eat, read, sleep.
Yes.
And work out.
Because I was a prefect, I was not doing any work, by the way. I was
So
not
you are
doing
soft
any-
life.
Since Form 1, I was
Soft
not-
life ambassador.
I was not doing any work since Form 1. I was a prefect. My work was just tell girls do this and do that. Yeah. Even here at home, I'll be telling you now, do this and you do.
Now tell me now to do, you see fire. Now I'm the one to command you, do this, but I'm not commanding them because they're doing it on their own willing, at their own willingness. And then,
Yeah.
so you're doing some cleaning,
Yeah.
and you see what's going on around. Sorry guys, I wanna just do a small celebration, like a small celebration for them because now they're here. I could have taken them out, but let them just do this, because also it marks the, well, it just shows, how do you say it, harmony, that togetherness, because now Manu Cloud is around, Fairy, she's around, she's around over here, and also Bibi, she's from hospital, so it would be better for me to just do what we call like go buy maybe a meat and also rice, so she can prepare something. So it's a big celebration over here, so that our sister, she's finally back. Yeah, party after party. That's Manu Cloud. You know, Manu Cloud, she's around here sleeping. Yeah, you have to be doing your homework a little by little, okay? Let me do.
You know, right now I'm going to tell him to wake up and go to school very early.
Yes.
Because I've already finished.
No, no, that was just by the way. You know, there's a lot that is coming on the way now. That was just but a start. It's just but a start. But you know, there's a very big one coming. So it's you to just do what you call like put more dedication. There's no time to relax. Because I'm planning, guys, to just take her for us to gain some little skills, maybe in computer studies, and also for what you call like maybe driving. You know, this is the time. This is the time, because if with this time that she has come from school, this is the time that I can just do what you call like put her more focus, because the moment you leave her that way, hey, there's sun, there's much, hey, yeah, the moment you leave her that way, she might find people to convince her, but the moment she's busy doing what you call like maybe focusing on maybe driving and also maybe computer studies, that would be the best skill. Yeah, put it up, yeah, that way. No, put it on this end if so, at least. But I think, you know, the moment it's that way, it will avoid swelling. Somebody commented, and also some reached out and said, some subscribers, if you just put them over here, Narid's area, the moment she's sitting that way, so the legs can be elevated. I don't know if it's the right position to elevate these legs. I don't know if it's the right position to elevate their legs, but even I created something like a pillow. The moment she's asleep, she can raise her legs up. Hey, hi Doma. Hi Doma, ile mulale. 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 Hi Doma. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma. Hey. Haidoma iye mulale. Haidoma. Actually, guys, go out. Bibi is complaining with you. Bibi is telling the dog. No, don't hit them. At least now you can see she's gaining some weight. She can even talk. She can, you know, she can chase the dogs away. Yeah, so you see. Hiya, relax, okay? Okay. Say bye. Nakuletee samaki ama nini? Eh. Oh, sawa. Tutaangalia. So let me rush. I'll go see what's happening. Alright. These boys and this girl. When these people are around, you people will miss me. Let me just travel from this point. What are you trying to do?
I want to drive. Sit back. We are driving.
I won't risk. Go.
No.
Easy. Easy. Ferry, let's go. So my sister Felistas. Hey, Manu is having his best time. Hey. Yeah, now you're thinking that you can go with one hand, eh? He's riding now with one hand and he thinks
he was sure that he's a driver.
Hey, you're not a pro. Relax.
Bike rider.
Go easy. But it's better for, you know, guys, even
We
if,
may want to know how to ride a bike.
but you not start with this one. This one is very heavy. Maybe you will start with the small one.
Then I drive a car.
Then you cannot drive this.
I drive a car.
Yeah. So we wanna go and see what will be happening. So yeah, as soon as possible before everything happens. So let's go to the market and we see what she's going to take for pilau. Then we wanna come home and do some little celebration. Kidunda. Okay, let's wait for him. It's good to teach your siblings some. If you have a machine, maybe a motorbike or a car, just teach them slowly, because some days you'll come to
You can
see.
have an emergency.
Yeah, and they can save you. See, like Manu there. Why are you struggling now?
The motorbike is heavy.
It's heavy for him. Come slowly.
But he knows how to ride that for Stedler June.
For True Boy, he knows, because for True Boy is easy. Hey, easy. Hey, okay. You have enjoyed? Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys. Yes, she's here and she's picking what she has. What are you picking? Only this.
No, not only.
Okay. And also you have to pick this one, because I'll be away for a couple of days, so you have to also pick this.
This one we call it.
I think we have this at home.
Are you sure?
Okay, pick it, you'll go see. Because we bought it last time when we were with Minha. What else? Okay. Do you have tea leaves? Tangawizi, reason. Alright.
Salt is not.
Okay, let's go. I think we should be using sea salt. On this one, you know have to pick another one for Nini.
This one?
Oh, yeah. I think the other one, turmeric, we have it there. Chicken masala, we have it there.
Beef masala is it?
Beef masala, I think it's around here. It's here. Beef. Yeah, beef masala. And also chili. What else?
You want beef masala?
No, it's okay. Because with me, I'll not be around very much. So, yeah.
Sudan juice.
You want also juice? Okay. That's mixed fruit. Okay, pick it. Okay. but it's not recommended for you to take always this. Okay, let's go. We'll be preparing using for fish and also some mini. I think that will be better. What else? I have sugar. It's here. We take 2. What else? Cooking oil is there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Body lotion for me. Okay, pick another one. Also, I don't know why you love noodles. I don't know why you love noodles, but it's okay. For BB, you can have this. That me for money.
Yeah, this is Navy.
Which one?
May use Navy and then
I don't know if Navy is around, but if it's around, you can pick it then. Goes with me around. So what else?
Navy is
Huh?
Navy.
Where is it? This one. Okay, pick it then. The one that you want. Okay. What else? Oh, maybe sea salt is on this other end. Let's go up to the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So you know my sister, she's from school. So I want. Where's the other sea salt? The other one, which is nini? No. You just pick this normal one. Or take this big. And then I wanted the other one for the bottle, the one that is in a bottle. Okay. Cornflakes, no. Nobody has cornflakes. That's okay. It's okay. Give me a Ajab. But do you hear Ajab? Okay. This one. This one. Yeah, so let's just pay this, then we wanna go and see what we're going to have. Then later on have a big celebration. Okay. So guys, we are ready, she's packing, then we wanna go back home. And we are in town actually, see right? It's the best area over here. Okay. So let's go back home. We are from this shop. Let's go. Are you okay? Put them in the middle. Okay guys, let's go back home. Sophie, sister, now you are arranging them. Okay, you are back home. So yeah, I'll show you what's happening, how she's cooking. Okay, all right guys.
So guys, we're in a process of cooking, and this is how my sister is preparing in here.
Oh guys, I'm chopping meat. As you can see, I'm chopping meat so that I can prepare it
Yes.
for cooking pilau, guys. So guys, let me chop the meat so that I can place it here in the cooker for it to boil, and I fry it
Yes.
so that we can eat, guys. After I have prepared this meat, I wanna go prepare rice. I'll show you how I'm going to prepare the rice.
Yes.
I will also show you how I'm going to fry this meat, guys. So guys, stay tuned.
Yes, guys. This.
So guys, our meat is boiling here. I wanna take some rice from this tin, some cups. I will take 3 cups. No, let me take 4 cups so that we can prepare. One, another one, the other one, and this one. These 4 cups are enough for the whole family. I'm gonna go prepare these. So guys, after I've washed this rice, I'm going to prepare it so that it can be pilau, guys. See, this is our rice. Okay. Stay tuned until the time that I'm going to prepare it. Bye bye. So guys, our meat is ready. I wanna put some oils for it to be fried. I need some oil, guys. See, for it to be fried. We have water here, boiling water for preparing this rice. I've already washed this rice. You can see I've washed the rice. And I'll place this water here for it to be boiled so I can prepare it. We have some ingredients here. We have pilau masala. We have cumin. We have here garam masala. We also have this one, chili pepper. We have this one, cinnamon. We have a turmeric powder. We also have this one with masala for preparing for this our meat. So guys, this is the beef masala. All of these ingredients I'm going to use them, guys.
Today we are with the Claude Joseph's channel, you know. We're using Claude Joseph's channel. So
Yeah.
today is a cooking day.
And Claude is going to come soon, guys. It's going to come soon. Let me prepare this meat so that I can prepare the rice for it to be pilau, guys. So, guys, as you can see, our meat is fried already. See, guys, the meat is fried. So I wanna roast it. Let me press some onions in here. Yeah, some onions, guys. And you can see our water is already. Our water is ready, guys. So I wanna prepare. Rice. Let me take the big spoon here. This is the spray that I'm going to prepare the pilau with. Let take this water.
Eh?
Guys, this is the sufuria that we're going to use. Let me pour oil inside. I wanna prepare pilau, guys. And this, you can see our meat here already placed in. I've already placed in, guys, tomatoes. I'm roasting the meat, guys. As you can see, I'm roasting the meat, guys. Okay. Guys, use my cooking stick. I'm gonna place some onions, guys. These are my onions, guys. You can see. As you can see, this is my meat. My meat, guys. See? So you can see. I wanna place beef masala, guys. Beef masala. As you can see, beef masala. Guys, let me. have some garlic here. This is our garlic. Let me place the garlic in here. Got this the pilau masala. Pressing in here, pilau masala. So guys, I've already placed all the ingredients as you can see in the list here. Let me mix. Let me mix. I think I should add some pilau masala. We add pilau masala. And some of the turmeric powder. I have salt here, guys. I'm gonna place some quantity. Let me mix. I'm mixing it. I'm mixing the pilau, guys. Mix the pilau. I'm mixing the pilau, guys. As you can see, I have already mixed all the spice. This already mixed this rice with all the spices, guys. With all the spices. So you wanna place hot water in it, some pure hot water for it to boil, for it to be ready, guys, for it to be cooked, guys. So let me pour some hot water inside here, guys. This is our hot water that I've already boiled. So let me pour inside here. Okay, guys, you can see. Let me stir. Let me mix. Let me mix, guys. And we wanna leave it for some minutes for it to be cooked, guys. So let us wait. So guys, this donut, as you can see, it is boiling, guys. The pilau is boiling, guys. I wanna close this lid for it to be cooked, for it to be ready. Let me close it with this lid, and I can see our meat is boiling, guys. Our meat is wanna go be ready. Guys. And also I wanna close it with a tin here. This is our lid. Let me close this our lid for it to be ready. I'm going to wait for it, guys. This food is going to be tasty, guys. The food is going to be tasty. Wait and see, guys. People are going to enjoy the food. They are going to enjoy the meal that I'm preparing, guys. This is our lunch. I'm preparing this lunch, guys, for our family, guys. All of the members are coming to sit here and to eat. This is our pilau and the meat, guys. Also, guys, you can see this is the kitchen, guys. They're using this is the kitchen, as you can see. This is the drawer. This is the cupboard that you're placing some spices, guys. Our hot spots. You can see, guys. This is the kitchen, guys. This is the kitchen, guys. This is the kitchen for CJ and me and Harry, guys. See, look at it, guys. Oh, guys, we're going to use also this one. We bought this one, guys, the mixed fruit juice. We're going to use it, take it with pilau, guys. Yeah, these cupboards for me and Howie, where he places utensils, guys, as you can see, guys. This is the kitchen, guys. As you can see, these are our racks, guys, where we place our fruits. We place fruits there, guys. So, guys, let us wait for this pilau to be ready and our meat to be ready so that we can enjoy our meal, guys. We are gonna enjoy. Okay. Oh, guys. Now I think this pilau is ready. Let me show you, guys. I think the pilau is ready. Let me show you. Guys, wow, guys, see the pilau, guys. The pilau, we wanna go eat the pilau, guys. It is really smelling nice. I can hear the aroma of the pilau, guys. The pilau is really smelling nice, guys. I know they wanna go like it, guys. The pilau, as you can see, the pilau, guys. This pilau is so sweet, guys. The pilau is so sweet. So this is what I'm gonna do. Guys, this pilau is very sweet. Let me work. Even as you can see here, our meat is ready. Guys. Our meat is ready. You can see it. You can feel the aroma of the meat, guys. The meat is ready. It's just waiting for us to take it to our stomachs, right? The meat is just waiting for us to take it to our stomach, so that it can be digested, guys. So this pilau, guys, I wanna put the pilau into the hot pot so that it cannot be cold, and take it to the table so that the guys can save themselves. They can serve themselves for the food, guys. We wanna go for it. Wait for Claude, Joseph, and True Boy so they can come and can celebrate together, and other members of the family, guys. So, guys, stay tuned.
Oh my god, I left my camera. I left my camera over here that I'm coming back later to just continue the vlog, and I found my sister has been vlogging the whole entire until even the battery went off. They changed the battery because of cooking. But well and good, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. She has been preparing what we call like pilau, beef, and some something because I wanted to make them happy over here, and I'm so surprised. I'm really like, I'm like, where they can really vlog. I haven't watched the full video, but they can really vlog. They can do a vlog. True boy, why are you hiding? Look at this guy. Why are you going back? Imagine I left my camera. Huh? I left my camera and I found that Fairly and Manu, they are continuing the vlog because I told them I'm coming back to just vlog how they are cooking. They have cooked, they have prepared everything, and they were dancing here with loud music.
That's good.
Yeah, and I'm so much happy because they are learning at least how to do. You know, kindly rate them how their videos are, and also rate their cooking kindly, guys.
So to me, they have cooked.
They have already cooked. You can hear the scent, the nice aroma.
For sure.
Yeah, introduce yourself, man. We can now dish and celebrate.
And anyway, I'm not that much good in stomach. Anyway, welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please keep on subscribing. If you are watching for your first time, leave a like, leave a comment, so that we can know who is supporting this village boy.
Yeah,
you know, we are live from village, and village in Kenya,
absolutely.
East Africa.
East Africa.
So we are so happy, we are alive, we are healthy.
Yeah,
that's why you can see like everything is okay. You know, when we are healthy, when we are okay, we are rich.
Absolutely.
So, and here this is Mr. Trueboy 208. It's not for the returning subscribers to CJ. This is not the first time appearing to his channel. So please subscribe to my channel too. Road to 3K subscribers.
Yes.
That's your love, and let's hit 3K.
Absolutely, guys. See you as we dish. Yeah. Yes. All right. Oh my God! I left my camera. I left my camera over here that I'm coming back later to just continue the vlog, and I found my sister has been vlogging the whole entire until even the battery went off. They changed the battery because of cooking. But well and good, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. She has been preparing what we call like pilau, beef, and something because I wanted to make them happy over here, and I'm so surprised. I'm really like, I'm like, where they can really vlog. I haven't watched the full video, but they can really vlog. They can do a vlog. True boy, why are you hiding? Look at this guy. Why are you going back? Imagine I left my camera. Huh? I left my camera and I found that Fairly and Manu, they are continuing the vlog because I told them I'm coming back to just vlog how they are cooking. They have cooked, they have prepared everything, and they were dancing here with loud music.
That's good.
Yeah, and I'm so much happy because they are learning at least how to do. You know, kindly rate them how their videos are, and also rate their cooking kindly, guys.
So to me, they have cooked.
They have already cooked. You can hear the scent, the nice aroma.
For sure.
Yeah, introduce yourself, man. We can now dish and celebrate.
And anyway, I'm not that much good in stomach. Anyway, welcome to Claude Joseph YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please keep on subscribing. If you are watching for your first time, leave a like, leave a comment, so that we can know who is supporting this village boy.
Yeah,
you know, we are live from village, and village in Kenya,
absolutely.
East Africa.
East Africa.
So we are so happy, we are alive, we are healthy.
Yeah,
that's why you can see like everything is okay. You know, when we are healthy, when we are okay, we are rich.
Absolutely.
So, and here this is Mr. Trueboy 208. It's not for the returning subscribers to CJ. This is not the first time appearing to his channel. So please subscribe to my channel too. Road to 3K subscribers.
Yes.
That's your love, and let's hit 3K.
Absolutely, guys. See you as we dish. Yeah. Yes. All right. They have cooked. Let me check. You know, sometimes I'm a chef too, so I have to confirm what they have cooked. Okay, that's beef, and then they already have eaten. She also prepared pilau here. Hey. Hey, yeah.
We for how to come and serve us.
Serve us. Hey, you love food.
Ready?
Alright, guys. Let's see you
Ah,
can dish. Chief Chef, come say hi, Chief Chef. Yeah, so this is what she prepared over here. True boy. Have you tasted it?
I've just tested the meat,
Mm-hmm.
beef.
Beef.
How is which meat?
Oh God bless this food and you take it even I serve you, amen. Yes. You say what?
Which meat? This meat came from which animal?
Goat.
Goat.
Mm.
Or this is pork. Okay. Pork is for the pig.
Mm.
So this one and the sheep is mutton. So this one.
Mm.
I've forgotten.
It's
from-
still meat, bro.
No, it's not meat.
Meat from a
Meat
goat.
is general.
No, this is meat. Meat.
This is general. Chicken meat, cow meat,
Mm.
or beef. Beef is for a cow.
From a goat is called
From
Eh?
Hmm?
Eh?
I don't know.
Go Google. Ah, Felistas. It's nice. Guys, let me dig in. Welcome all. I just decided to just make a small party so that grandma, Felistas and home so that because it was for welcoming them back home. That was Manu and Carol, because they have been away in school. They have been really working hard over there, and I decided let me just go do a small shopping for them so that they can prepare food we enjoy over here at home. Maybe some days I want to take them out so that they can also enjoy how life is outside here. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. Be blessed all. Remember, you're on the road to 30,000 subscribers. Subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment, and I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you so much, and bye. True boy,
Yes.
what is it?
I'm just enjoying my meal here.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for supporting us here. We as village boys, you made us at least proud to the world. You know.
Absolutely, guys.
So let's enjoy our meal.
Yeah.
Wish you good health
Yeah.
and long life, so that we keep on enjoying videos from us here.
Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Subscribe to our channel.
We threw up a very big party. Yeah. Thank you, guys, and bye. All right.